Hi! Today we are going to do optical character recognition for free using OpenRouter.ai and Google AI Studio. I really love this OpenRouter.ai platform because you have tons of free APIs for free models. One API for over 300 models. For some of them you need to pay for some credits, but there are a lot of models if you want to test an app. One chat with multi-models. Go to OpenRouter.ai, go to Models, and at the bottom click Image and choose an image model. I am choosing Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, which is a free model. Let's create a PDF with an image inside. I am going to create a screenshot of this text and add it to LibreOffice. This is an image. Let's export it to PDF. Let's add our PDF to our prompt. Let's ask the agent to extract the text from this image. And this is our text. Let's add it to our word editor. As you can see, it's 100% editable. Let's go to the second platform, Google AI Studio. Go to Nano Banana. We are not using Nano Banana Pro, but instead, Nano Banana Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. Let's add the same PDF and extract the text. As you can see, it's really fast. Let's copy and add this text to our word editor. As you can see, it's 100% editable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.